Hey guys, gals. Bum 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 bum. Howdy, folks. This is DJ Xana here. Kind of pastiching Multimedia J a little bit. He was pastiching Ashton's reviews of these cheap foods. Saw his review on Dirt Cake. So here's mine. So, what I got from what he said. Says it's basically a huge sugar bomb. Well, let's see about this. And it's kind of funny that this is actually part of the Lunchables brand, to be honest. Because I wouldn't really imagine some parent packing this in with their kids' lunch. Especially those tiny Lunchables that make, like, little to no sense. Except it's, like, nothing more but a freaking snack at best. I don't know. I guess it all comes down to taste at this point. Let's see which gummy worms we got. Well, the first things first. Kind of lick that off. Can't really tell if that's supposed to be chocolate pudding or just like a random chocolate sauce. So we got the yellow and red, yellow and red, yellow and red. Geez, 4 yellow reds and 1 green and red. Okay. So, I guess what you're supposed to do here is dip these into this, to the chocolate sauce or chocolate pudding. Then dip it into these Oreo crumbs. Let's give this a shot. Eh. I mean, that just wasn't exactly my flavor combo. Let's try the lemon in chocolate. That sort of combines better. No, cherry and chocolate. This goes together like peanut butter and jelly, for Christ's sake. This should be good. Yep. So if you're looking for a decent little snack thing, I guess this might work. Although, why not just pack in a bag of pretzels, for crying out loud? Or, you know, some Cheez-Its and some gummy worms. You'd be better off with that combination. Over this. Because I think this would actually be better as like ice cream topper setup than a full-on snack, if you ask me. Well, it's usually gummy bears, not gummy worms, but I mean, if you're actually calling it dirt cake, you might as well just have it, you know, be a packaged brownie with gummy worms embedded in it. That'd probably be your best bet, calling it dirt cake. Anyways, peace out. That was my food review.